All right, so we're going to look at a couple of questions from the 2.03 quiz. This first one says, what is the area of a circle with a diameter of 15.8 centimeters? And we're going to use 3.14 for pi, and then round the final answer to the nearest hundredth. Remember, hundredth is 2 decimal places. So make sure you do that correctly or you won't get it right once you submit. So first, let's look at the area formula. The area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. So we have pi, and here, remember, they want us to use 3.14, the rounded version of pi. So we're going to replace pi with 3.14 so we don't forget and accidentally plug it in our calculator with the pi button. We want to use the rounded version to make sure our answer matches what they get and to ensure continuity with what they have. And then we need the radius. Now here's the tricky thing. We're given the diameter. The diameter is 15.8. We divide by 2 in order to get the radius. Remember, the radius is equal to the diameter divided by 2. Or we could say diameter is equal to 2r, depending on which way you want to look at it. Those are both the same equation, just rearranged. If we multiplied by 2 on both sides here, then we would get d equals 2r. So we're going to use this one right here to help us find the radius. We know the diameter is 15.8, so the radius is equal to that diameter divided by 2. So you're going to go ahead and go through that process of dividing. Grab your calculator. Never be ashamed to grab your calculator for division. You'll get 7.9 centimeters for the radius. So that's what you're going to plug in. And a really common mistake here is to plug in that diameter where you see the radius. But that's not part of our equation. So make sure you plug in 7.9 for the radius. Because we were given the diameter, we need the radius. Now you can use your calculator again, and you're just going to multiply this. 7.9 squared, or 7.9 times 7.9, times 3.14. And you will get area is equal to, your calculator is going to spit out 195.9674. They want you to round to 2 decimal places. That 6 is going to round up to a 7 because of the 7 after it. Not that you use that number that's after it, but the 7 is greater than 5. It makes it round up. 195.97 centimeters squared. And that's what we would put for our final answer. Okay, the next one that I want to talk about is this one. It says the circumference of a circle is 7 pi meters. Before we go any further, even though it's asking us for the area, we need to know, what is the circumference formula? Circumference is equal to pi times the diameter. Well, if I know that the circumference is equal to 7 pi, this is slightly out of order, I know, but 7 has to be the diameter. If pi times the diameter is equal to 7, cancel out the pi on both sides, diameter is equal to 7 for this circle. So we're using that circumference to find the diameter. Area is equal to pi r squared. We need to know the radius for the area formula. So we just divide the diameter by 2. Remember, we just talked about the diameter is twice the radius. So we can divide it by 2 to get the radius. Radius is equal to 3.5. Now, just plug it in. Area is equal to pi times 3.5 squared. And you're going to put 3.5 times 3.5. You'll get 12.25 pi. And that'll be it. 12.25 pi meters squared. We're done.